Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily close for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what happened and what we might expect next, of course. So as we mentioned, Bitcoin is still showing here a potential correction, as we said, of course, in A, B, and a C, or of course W, X, and a Y here. The wave Y is three waves there. So definitely we are not in an impulse here or something as a motive wave finished as a truncation to see, of course, something bullish. Yeah, so I'm not convinced with this. And of course, I'm still looking here at a potential push toward the upside. So what we got, of course, it can be as well a bigger A, B, and a C here. So we have an A, and then this is your wave B, and the wave C still looking for the 1-to-1 fib level. Don't forget that you're still here in a potential wave 1, 2, and then 3, and then wave 4 and a 5, that it can still be unfolding toward the downside. Otherwise, of course, our scenario for the WX and Y is done in 3 waves down, 3 waves there, and of course 3 waves, WX and Y, we finished. And we're pushing higher here in, of course, a regular flat. The regular flat, as this is, of course, the signal that it was today. And of course, I would say the market was very, very tricky because it has changed the course after yesterday, giving us a signal that we're moving down, breaking the channel here, the base channel, giving us, of course, a signal that, oh, we're moving down and this wave 5 is unfolding. And then suddenly today in the morning we woke up, the price was exactly again inside the base channel. And that means, of course, this is our signal that we might still be in this scenario here, which it can be, of course, 3 waves down finished, 3 waves up for a wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a regular flat. And that because we have preserved, of course, the price of the base channel. We didn't unfold a wave 3, massive wave 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3. Where is it? We don't see it yet. And we see, of course, higher prices again. Unless, of course, this is still, of course, a wave 4, as we mentioned on the micro level, where you have wave 2 here. And you might still have a wave 4 unfolding to, of course, open for a wave 5 downward. After this wave 5 downward, okay, we can check the 52K here because, yeah, it is, of course, a very, very strong area here as a support, and it might also rebound, still has a chance, but I doubt it. Once we open for this scenario, well, we are in a deep correction for Bitcoin, 35K, 25K, but this did not happen. So far, this did not happen, and we might still look, of course, for something as a flat and not as a deep correction, as we have this possibility here as a zigzag, A, B, and a C. So, yeah, the possibilities today has shifted, of course, for something for higher. We'll see if it's going to sustain. We still have, of course, right now to test this area. If we break it, then okay, we start to be bullish here. Something is wrong. Something is pushing for higher, 3 ways, no ABC here, and especially if we take the invalidation. Now, I'm not going to wait so much for the invalidation to 86K here. Once we break this area, well, okay, it's a question mark. Why we have to break it in a wave 3, 4, and a 5? That means, of course, yes, we have to count this a wave 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our first wave A, B, and a C for the regular flat that we just saw, of course, on the daily for A, B, and a C, of course, and then pushing down later on. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin, the daily close, guys. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen now on the 15-minute chart before closing, of course, this analysis. Basically, this pump toward the upside is still, of course, very, very strong. I would say here, I'm gonna start to label 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have also, of course, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here in the white, and finally a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in the yellow. So yes, we might still be looking very, very impulsively here. And don't forget, we need it to reach, of course, this blue zone at the end. So currently, if we are in this wave 4, I would say it is, of course, for an entry possible. This is, of course, no financial advice, But yeah, we're looking here for a possible way forward that might still be unfolding. I think that it might still take a little bit more time. So expect here an ABC zigzag, probably 0.38, and then of course pushing for higher wave 5, then continuation of course for higher prices. So we'll see how this is going to unfold regarding the micro levels as well. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.